Hi, Alex here from Trotec, and today we're going to be building this 3D Chameleon file while giving you an overview of our SP range of large format cutting machines. So for the Chameleon project, we'll be processing 8 different sheets of 3mm acrylic. Each of these sheets has already had a 3M adhesive backing applied to it. This is going to make the assembly of the final product a lot easier and is not a problem at all for laser processing. So the first thing we need to do is to get our artwork sent to the laser software. The Trotec Laser software is installed as a printer driver. This makes it extremely easy to get your artwork to the laser software no matter what graphics package you're using. Simply open up the settings and choose your material from the materials database. From here, we can then give the job a name and send it across to the laser software. In the laser software, you can take the job from the queue and drag it directly onto the laser bed. Next up, we just load our material onto the laser. And then we're going to use the keypad to bring the laser head above the material and activate the ultrasonic sensor to take the correct material height measurement. Okay, so the bed of the machine is now loaded with material, and the final thing I'm going to do is to activate Tandem mode. Tandem mode is going to split the laser's working bed into 2 separate zones. This is going to allow me to safely load and unload one side of the machine while it's cutting on the other side. This effectively removes all of the idle time from the machine and increases the productivity. To start the process, we simply press the button located on the front of the machine. As this machine is equipped with 400 watts of laser power, it means it can process this 3mm acrylic with real high speed. Now the machine has finished processing on the front, it then automatically moves to start cutting at the back of the machine. Now that the machine has finished processing the back, the process is simply reversed and it now starts cutting again on the front, allowing me to safely unload the back of the machine and removing any of that idle time. So that's all 8 layers of material cut up, and as you can see straight from the machine, it's very easy just to lift the material off, and we also have a nice clean cut. We've got the 3M adhesive backing on there, so let's start getting this thing assembled. So we've now finished assembling the Chameleon file, and the final thing I want to do is to cut some 15mm clear acrylic in order to make a stand for it. Now, a great thing about laser processing is it's going to give us a lovely flame polished edge directly from the machine. So let's get this project finished. To change to processing 15mm acrylic, we simply load the material onto the bed and then use the ultrasonic sensor to again take a material height measurement. We then drag the job from the queue in the software and then select the appropriate material parameter from the database. As you can see, the part has a lovely, clear polished edge straight from the laser, one of the great benefits of laser processing. So there we have it, the 3D Chameleon file is finished. And I'm really pleased with how this has turned out, and hopefully it might have inspired some of you to have a go at layering up some different materials and creating some different effects. If of course you do have any questions, do ask away in the comments and we will get back to you. And until next time.